Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a jam with pears and apples. It's really easy to make and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to cut 1.5 kilograms of pears. And you should cut their seeds too. Then do the same thing with 1.5 kilograms of apples. Take out the seeds and cut them in small pieces. In a big baking pan, add all the ingredients. Roll the lemon on the table so the juice comes out easily. Then cut it in half and add some lemon juice to the fruits. Then add 200 grams of sugar. Then put it to the oven in 200 degrees for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take them out and mix them around. Then repeat the process for about 30 or 40 minutes. When they're all prepared, put them in jars when they're still hot. Then you should sterilize them and close them very finely. Then when it's all done, you can try it out, and they smell so amazing and they taste even better. I recommend this recipe 100%. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.